Hello, my name is Alejandro Figueroa. I represent ScienceLogic. We are the network monitoring and help desk sponsor for the Interop Net. It's the final days here. We're wrapping everything up, tearing down all the different PEDs, shipping them out to Vegas, and been here for about a week and a half now, setting up our G3 monitoring platform, trying to make sure that we've got everything up and running and ready to go. And it looks like so far it's been a success. We're seeing as things come down, all our different monitors showing up red or green or whatever, what have you. For the most part, like always, it's a great experience out here. Probably the best thing, we get to work with some of the best and brightest from around the industry. It's great with the EM7 platform. Everybody gets to see all the new things we're bringing to the show concerning monitoring. Challenge is pretty much the same as always. Making sure that all the vendors understand the types of information that we need and getting all their products set up to send SNMP traffic or do SOAP or database queries, whatever we need to make sure we have a good insight into the Interop net. I have here, this is one of the new features that we have for this year is our liquid dashboards. Just briefly, it allows you to get a graphical view into what's going on all over the Interop net or your data center or whatever you happen to be monitoring. These are just some base statistics that I threw up here for this year. We wanted to, it'll be a little different when we get out to Vegas, but you can see here in the upper left-hand corner, we're monitoring the core switches from Interop, monitoring their CPU and their memory statistics. Want to make sure nothing spikes too high while we're doing our tests, and there will still be that when we get out to Vegas. Probably going to replace some of these with bandwidth statistics, point-to-point port statistics from our remote data centers in Sunnyvale and Denver out to the Las Vegas show. We'll have some great statistics there to show you. Down here, worked closely with Xeris to get a wireless user count. This is one of the more popular graphs that we've had in the past. It shows as the time progresses how many wireless users are connected to the different Xeris access points. Actually a big draw. Right here, this is our overall system health. We've got, as things come down, our criticals start to get higher and higher, and our healthies will start to get lower. But for the most part, what we're monitoring is overall healthy. When we get into Vegas, we want 100% availability for everything. So we should never see any of these go up. We should always see just healthy. Our event summary here, you can see how many tickets are critical down here in the lower right-hand corner. Which ones are critical, minor, major, so on and so forth. Just a brief overview of what's going on. And then up here we have everything separated by PED. We've got your Denver colo at the top and your Sunnyvale colo at the bottom. Those are our two remote data centers. You can see they're both healthy right now. That's to be expected. You'll see most of the Interop net, though, is now in a critical state. That's just, again, we're just testing everything, making sure that it's all working properly. As we bring down the PEDs, we can see at a glance what's going on here with everything. So it's one of the neater features that we've got this year for Interop, and we're going to showcase it quite a bit. So make sure you stop by our booth and make sure you stop by the NOC for some of our tours, and we'll show you a little bit more.